what is up? Yes. Yeah, I don't really know what to say today, but hello guys, and it's Bronson here with another video, or Mr. Paps. Yes, Team Paps. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification button, and leave a comment down below what we should play next. Any game you can think of, any game.
We'll tell you all the games. Go ahead, Bronson.
No, just any game, even Fortnite. Although you can get Fortnite for free. My mom doesn't know that.
Yeah, if you want us to play Fortnite, we'll try and get the app to get it free, right, Bronson?
Yes, Epic Games. But yeah. Also, I only have 4 stingers because I got this spray gun. Also, I have been working a lot more. Yes. I know what you're thinking. Why do you have the Honey Dipper? Yeah, well, yeah, I defeated King Beetle, and I want to defeat him again. I'm gonna zoom out a little so you can see Honey Dipper. Ooh, honey money, some honey.
I don't know why honey has to be honey.
Because it's called Bee Swarm Simulator, and bees love honey money.
So bees,
How much longer do I have? 3 hours. Why? Also, I am in the middle of nowhere, so it might be a little laggy. Just like that. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Wait, that's it?
No.
Are you fucking stupid?
Wonder if the surveillance drone.
That's a $12 million piece of hardware.
It was. I know you're trying to find out where I hang my tape. You won't.
Then I'll ask you out this question. How are we going to live one day after this to live?
I grew up in Kansas.
Also, if you hear that in the background, it's just Superman.
I'm here to help.
Yeah, we're watching the
But it has to be on my own
in
time.
a cabin.
And you have to convince Washington of that.
Even if I were willing to try. What makes you think they listen?
I don't know.
Yes,
oh,
I
he's
did.
barely made it, guys.
Also, if you want to get a free ant pass, you launch yourself into a yellow cannon, and then you parachute your way over to here. Slowly do this. You have to slowly do it.
Yeah, and if you want to do stuff,
And then you go behind the ant thing.
anything with Jake.
Yeah.
But Bronson already got it. It's right there.
Yes, and you get a free ant pass.
But there's also the Spencer for a free ant pass, right? Want to show them how the ant thing works?
I don't have enough tickets to buy it.
Now you can get a free one.
I need 20 though. 20 bees. Yes, but you need an ant pass to play. Okay, I'm gonna read the info. Just wait. Welcome to the Ant Challenge. Spend 1 ant pass to enter the ant field. Collect pollen and honey. Fill the meter on the ant hill. Wait, it's a little oh, there we go. When it top, ants will pop out. Each ant you defeat grants 1 point. Okay, so that was actually very boring. Now I'm gonna kill myself. I think. There. Just look at my head.
Your eyes, your bees must recover at the
Reset.
Brown bear, how do you do? Brown bear. I'm just gonna use this spell clock. I have to wait 48
I
hours.
already used that. It's really good. I think it gives you 10 tickets.
Alex, stop.
Oh.
Dun 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 dun. Also, sometimes this pineapple has a face. It's weird. Just weird.
Don't fight it. Don't fight it. How dare you. Guys, don't fight the slug. I can't even beat it.
Yeah, because you're not good at this honey dipper is so
I don't
overpowered.
have enough bees. That's Branson, what if I had as much bees as...
Also, this is a little secret. You go up onto the snail thing.
Yeah,
and
there's
then-
also a glue bottle down here there, but Branson knows.
I still have the glue bottle.
You still have? Also,
I'm
guys,
kidding. I got it from a code. Bees retreat! Yeah, that's not very... I wish I could fight this. I'm just gonna say it right now. Support me so I can support you back. Also, yeah. Support me so I can support you back with good videos. So I can use the money that you guys give me
Also, guys.
by Robux
Also,
to make the
tell
videos.
all the people you know to watch our video and subscribe. Because the more money we get, the better the games, right, Brennan?
Ali, it's not a video though for the last time. It's called a channel. We don't just want them to watch this single video. What should I do?
I like mine.
Yeah, we're watching Squad right now. I honestly think that should end the video right here. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Yeah. Bye. Bye, guys. I think next video should be Bubblegum Simulator. Yeah, it should. Bye. Bye.